What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to choose your volleyball number on your jersey. Let's get right into it. If you don't know me already, my name is Coach KoKo and I love volleyball. So much so that I have a whole bunch of tips, tricks, hacks, and anything that you could ever need about volleyball on my channel. And so today I'm going to talk to you about how to choose your volleyball number and why it's important. For me, throughout the years, I've always played with the number 10. And I chose the number 10, not only because it's my birthday month, but because I just love the number 10. It felt like my lucky number. But I've had a couple of different numbers throughout the years, and not by choice, but sometimes you're on a team and somebody else already likes that number, so you gotta compromise. But you wanna choose a number that's something important to you. It could be your birthday month, it could be your parents' birthday month, it could be a number that you've always just really liked, something that has value. So when you put that jersey on, you feel invincible. You want it to be something that you put your jersey on and you feel like, I'm part of a team, I'm strapped in. It's cool, right? So when I was a JV, I chose the number 10 then. When I was a senior in varsity, I chose the number 10 then. When I went off to college, somebody else already had the number 10, so I said, okay, I'm gonna choose something else that means something to me. You wanna feel like I'm part of a team, it's important to me, kind of like when a basketball player or somebody who plays in another sport that has numerical value, they put their jersey on, they feel like, yeah, I'm feeling it. It's pumping me up, I'm hyped, and that way you're easily identifiable, because sometimes when you're playing on the court and people are like, number 10, you wanna, that's me. That's me. It makes you feel, you feel it. You really feel it. So if you have a number down below that you really love, put that down below. What's your number and why? Why did you choose that number? Why is it important to you? Why does it have value? Let's say that you like a number a lot and somebody else is gonna pick that number. It's okay to say, hey, I just want to talk to you about having that number, because sometimes before the year, there's no really saving. You got to just pick it out of the stack. So you can say, hey, I really like the number 10 because it means something to me. It was my grandmother's birth month and she's really important to me, and it would really mean a lot if I could have the number 10. And if they say, okay, well, that means a lot to me, then you guys can talk about it. It's okay to talk about it. Don't just give up on something because somebody else is gonna go for it. You guys can have that discussion, and if it means a lot to you, okay. But let's say that it means a lot to them too and you don't get the number, that's okay. But remember that even with the jersey on or off, you're still powerful, and you can do anything that you put your mind to on and off the court, in the classroom and outside the classroom. So I hope you like this video for how to choose your number for your jersey and how to talk to somebody about choosing the number for your jersey. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this with somebody who you think might need it. I will see you guys next time.